Imagine you trip walking up to get an award, the mic is on, the gym goes silent, and everyone laughs. That walk was an act of full abasement. Public abasement is definitely not the vibe. Our word of the day is abasement, a noun. It is defined as the act of humiliating someone, or the state of being stripped of dignity. The definition of abasement is humiliation, degradation, or dishonor. A memory trick is to remember abasement equals abasement, where your dignity has been moved to the basement. In today's news, the European Court of Human Rights ruled that the systematic abasement of prisoners in a caste hierarchy violated their right to dignity. This term is useful for tests like the IELTS academic and GRE in human rights and dignity contexts. Let's test your knowledge. The European Court ruled that forcing prisoners into the lowest caste tier through daily humiliation constituted an act of systematic abasement. Here's an example sentence for SAT, GRE, or IELTS. The prisoner's forced public apology was widely condemned as an act of political abasement orchestrated by the authoritarian government. Keep practicing these words to boost your vocab.